All right, welcome back, traders. Hopefully, you guys had a wonderful weekend. I want to thank all of you guys for joining me here this weekend here, the Sunday stream. All right, so what's happening on the charts? Bitcoin having a nice little Sunday pump here into the close. Kind of what we expected, right? We were talking about how we did have that daily squeeze trigger, right? We triggered this daily squeeze here on the 25th. Continuation of the squeeze here. You can see the momentum sort of building up. I will say, all right, here we go. We got a new daily weekly candle here. Okay, we're right at the 50 day here on the weekly. We got a closure above it. Nice strong weekly bullish engulfing candle here for this week, guys. All right, so something I really want to make everybody aware of is the 3-day, right? The 3-day chart. We're sitting right below the 50-day moving average. All right, and I think that this is a critical spot over the course of the next 3 days. We're going to see if we can break above this 50-day moving average. This is pretty critical because if we don't break above the 3-day, 50-day moving average here, you know, this could result in us coming back down to test, you know, this breakout area here, and you know, anything is possible, right? So we'll see if we can. We have to make a closure above this 50-day moving average. Otherwise, we become kind of in jeopardy of the 50-day kind of moving down and the 200-day moving up while we trade above the 200-day. And so that could result in ultimately a possible rejection or a death cross, right? Obviously, death crosses are kind of a lagging indicator, but on the 3-day chart, you don't really get too many fake outs on those. So I just wanted to present that to you guys, just so you guys don't get like too crazily excited with these pumps. I know it's pretty exciting that we got the break of this trading range finally, right? But just keep in mind, okay, last time we got a 3-day death cross was back here in 2018. We got the capitulation event afterwards. We had one in 2014. I understand we're in a different market dynamic right now, but you know, those 3-day death crosses are real things to watch out for. All right, and currently, as we reside right now, we are not above the 50-day moving average on the 3-day chart. All right, so it's something to watch out for. We do have squeezes here on the 3-day chart. You can see we were in a squeeze. We are in a squeeze on the 2-day as well. The 2-day triggered long, right? So we could see some good things to have happen here if we do get bullish price action above this $47,000 to $48,000 region. I think that is the area to watch out for right now. Okay, guys, we're coming right up to the 2-day, the 200-day moving average on the 2-day. The daily, like I said, the daily 200-day is right around 48K. Lots of confluence around that $47,000 to $48,000 area. All right, so I do suspect we get up to that area. All right. In terms of altcoins, in terms of the weekly chart, we kind of already basically covered it, but the weekly did get a closure above the 21 and the 50-day moving average. So this is looking pretty good on the weekly now. All right, we did get this bullish cross here on the MACD, and on the weekly we are about to get a cross up. All right, so the weekly crossing up here, and you know, we got this kind of wedge structure that we're seeing here on the MACD candles and on the MACD oscillator, right? So our first level of weekly positive momentum we've seen since November 22nd top. All right. All right. So that is your Bitcoin technical analysis here for the short term. And if we do continue to make candle closures above these moving averages, yeah, I am targeting the top of this channel, right? This channel is around top of this channel is around 100K, right? If we can break all these resistance areas, okay? Exactly. So just trade with caution here, guys. We're at some major moving averages, all right? we did get a weekly cross, which is good, but everyone's looking at that. So, oh my God, Bitcoin just got a weekly bullish cross. It's technically not a bullish cross, right? Because we are below zero on the MACD line here. Here was the bullish cross back here in August, May. Yes, we got it. We got a bullish cross here, but we are still below the zero line. Okay, so technically, MACD oscillators are still bearish, even though we're getting positive momentum for the first time since November. Okay, we could just end up making, you know, lower levels of positive momentum or something before we get a rejection and come back down. All right, so just keep that in mind. It's true. You know, like I said, lots of folks are paying attention now because this is the first time we've seen a candle closure like this in a while. But just pay attention to the price action, okay? We're at an area where we could see a reversal, okay? I'm not quitting my Moon Boy status. It's more like just try to stay grounded, okay? Don't get too excited until we break above that $48,000 level is what I'm saying. Gotta break above that. That is critical. This 3-day moving average, 3-day, 50-day is a significant thing to break above, okay? If we can do that, you can see every single time we got back above that 50-day, we went on a major run, okay? All right, so the DXY real quick. And then we'll look at Tether dominance here as well. So Tether breaking south out of this equilateral triangle, so that's good, right? CryptoPants, that's the 50-day on the 3-day chart. The 50-day on the 3-day chart. Yeah, the 150-day. Yeah, exactly. There you go. Yep. We just got to get above it, man. Just get a closure above 48K. Just do that. Get a closure above 48K. That's the critical area. All right. Cool. Total is pumping. Total also below the 50 period 3-day. This is what I'm afraid of right here, guys. This right here. See this? This is what I'm afraid of. This. We're coming up to it right now. This is that area. Okay? Yes, it's a little bit different. Same story, man. Get above 3,500 on ETH and I'll be pretty happy about it. Right? Same spot, right? Similar situation. We'll see, man. It's a bit different because we do have some hidden bullish divergence that's going to play out, okay, on the oscillator here. Whereas we didn't have that back here in 2018. So a different scenario might play out here for ETH. We have like triple MACD hidden bullish divergence, like 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty strong for ETH. DXY does look bullish, unfortunately. We did just trigger a 2-day on ETH here. Okay. 2-day triggered long here on ETH. But we have 2 more days for this to actually play out. Got to see some volume come in this week. Get us above those major moving averages. Otherwise, we're looking at something maybe like a bat or something. And even if we get up that high, I don't know. Maybe like there. Bearish bat, maybe? Something like that. Sure, we can take a look at FTM. FTM has lots of areas here to get through. Right? You got the 128 simple with the 50-day moving average and the 200-day. You're still below the 200 moving average up here on $2. So lots of work to do there for the bulls. For XAU, we can take a look at that, yeah. Just looks like a major cup and handle here, right at a resistance area. So of course your targets here on XAU, you get a breakout, and you just triggered long on a weekly squeeze. Okay, this week we're gonna see some price action out of gold and silver. Yeah, gold and silver are gonna rip this week. That's what this chart's saying right now. Yeah, I mean the monthly looks really bullish, man, on the gold. You can check out Ethereum Classic, yeah. So gold showing some classic hidden bullish divergence here on the monthly chart. You can see we're about to get a monthly cross up here. So monthly still in a squeeze here on gold, and you're at all-time highs, right? So on this little cup structure here, your real targets here are anywhere from the 1272 to the 16185 extension, between 2200 and 2400, probably within the next 3 to 6 months, I would say, based upon how long this consolidation was. This is a 2-year consolidation. So maybe within the next 6 months to a year, okay? Ethereum Classic, we'll take a look at that. Yeah, we can check out Atlas as well. Downsloping channel here for Ethereum Classic. You know, coming up to this 50-day again, 50 period, I should say. Get a closure above that, man, or what you got to do. You got to get a closure above this, right? So, yeah, a move if you do get above it. Looking at about 60 bucks here at the top of this channel for Ethereum Classic, roughly. So you got a weekly cross up here. You started making positive momentum. Your stokes are already extended though, so just be careful, man. Like, it could just be a short-lived move, man. I don't know, man. It just seems everyone is getting all bullish now. So we are in a weekly squeeze. Would I be long or short on FTM right now? Depends on how long of a trade, you know. I mean, I would be long, right? Because you want to probably trade this up to about $1.60, $1.64 area. I think that's a good spot to maybe take some profit. Or right around this $1.60 area, you have a confluence of the 128 and the 50-day moving average, okay? So Atlas, take a look at that. Atlas triggering long here on the TTM today. Looking good. So Atlas, maybe a target up to the top of the channel, about 8 cents if we do get a break above here, okay? And if you break the channel, well, I would say between the 50% retrace and the 618 are some good targets for this asset if this is a bottom. You confirm the bottom here if you get a closure above, you know, 4.1 cents there, okay? Use a 236 fib extension as support. So we'd be looking for a move like this where you come up, use this as support, consolidate here, get to your next fib, and eventually break out of it, right? We can check EOS, we can check Filecoin and Amazon. Yep. Getting pretty crazy here on Amazon, man. I mean, if you can get a closure back above 33.72, man, this can just continue to break higher, I guess. mean, this is one massive rising wedge. You're holding the monthly 21 exponential moving average so far. So this is a big week for Amazon, really a big week in general for the markets, right? We have monthly closures happening this week. So this is an insane chart. There is, you know, monthly hidden bullish divergence here on Amazon. Okay. Anyways, so Amazon is okay for now, holding the supply, holding the demand line. Filecoin. This thing is wrecked, man. Big M shape on this one, right? So like maybe a shark pattern or a deep Gartley on this. Yeah, I would say target, the first major target is the 21 exponential on the weekly, 31 bucks. You break that, we're looking at you know, $57 area here for Filecoin. And if this pattern does play out, 115 and, well, all-time high target, 240. I would say this area right here is going to be an area of struggle. You know, one major resistance level, second major resistance level. Yeah, this thing is ready to rock. Just got a cross up here on the Wolfpack. You're going to squeeze here on the 3-day, the 2-day, triggered long today. Yep. There is also a wedge you could draw as well. A node wedge. Yep. All right. Speaking of wedges, do you guys see Tilray? Did you guys see the Tilray breakout, man? Woo! This is gonna do some funny stuff, man. Wedges everywhere. Yeah, man. GameStop. Sure, let's check it out. I drew this out originally. Kind of almost came all the way down to my my target. It came down to 78. That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, man, wedges for the win. This could be more of a huge flag, right? And yeah, we're looking at something like crazy on GameStop, 7x. Yeah, I'll check out Matic in a second, IJ. Sorry about that, man. So Matic just kind of in a range, right? Consolidating in the between this you know, 75-cent area and the top of the range, $2-3. Kind of smack dead in the middle of the range right now. And yes, you are getting back above the weekly 21, which is good. Would really like to see us get back above that. If you do get back above that, good chance you're going to go back up to test the all-time highs. Going to depend a lot what Bitcoin's doing. This is looking like we're going to get a cross back up. All right. Ape. Yeah, lots of folks are talking about Ape right now. I honestly don't really know too much about it, but kind of sad, man. Only 14 people on the stream tonight. Come on, man. You guys got to share the link. Let's go. But I do appreciate you guys popping on the stream tonight, man. As usual. It's usually the same crowd. Appreciate all you guys. So yeah, you're in a squeeze as well here on the weekly. 3-day, also still in a squeeze. 2-day, squeezing 2-day, daily triggered on Matic, right? So today you could see some fireworks. Could see some fireworks on Matic today, right? You got resistance up here at $1.72, $1.73. Gonna depend a lot on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin just consolidates, Matic has a good chance of really ripping out, right? So we'll see how this goes. You got resistance around $1.73. If you can make it past that, you know, maybe a break to $2.07, your next area to look at, all right? Sure, we can look at SRM. Alpha broke out, right? I think I called that one out in main chat. Right, there's that wedge. We got a nice breakout on Alpha. So target up to about 65 cents, I'd say. That's the daily 128 simple. I think that's where you're going to kind of interact with some nice resistance, okay? Yeah, this has lots of room to run. All right. You are at a pretty critical resistance right now, though, on the 3-day chart. Another one that looked good was Atom, man. Cosmos looks really nice. Neo, I haven't heard that one in a while, man. Sure. SRM. I think it's possible we see some continued upside to about that $48,000 level. We got to watch that. That's an important level, okay? SRM, nice, nice Gartley setup here, M shape. Beautiful. So short-term targets for SRM, $4, 485 area, depending on what Bitcoin does, right? Sounds good. If you guys are enjoying the stream, of course, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel, and tick the little bell. Make sure you guys join the Discord. That is where all the important updates are happening. We even have some live trades that happen in the main chat for you guys, so make sure you guys check that out. Join the Discord. Dogecoin. All right, we can take a look at CRO. All right, out of let's see. I want you guys to pick one major token that you guys all can agree on to do some TA on. Post that in the chat right now. Just one major token. SHIB? Come on, you guys can do better than that. Huge bag in SHIB. Bro, I think I already answered that. I think we're going to see $48,000 touch or test. There it is. We're going for it right now, boys and girls. I see lots of BTCs, AVAX, Solana, AVAX, Atom. Looks like AVAX is gonna win. We got three AVAXs. All right, AVAX it is. One's in the chat if you guys like the music. AVAX looking pretty good, right? So it looks like we can see AVAX rip up to resistance up here around this $130 area. Considering Bitcoin and the whole market continue on the path that it's on right now, right? We're showing hidden weekly bullish divergence here. Like MACD is above 0, right? This is looking very strong here for AVAX, right? It's pretty much implying we're going to see continuation up. Okay, And we do want to watch this volume, though. The volume is receded. Okay, so we could be looking at a major move incoming here for AVAX. All right, we got up to 21 viewers. Thanks, guys. Thank you guys so much for smashing that like button up. I really do appreciate everyone popping on the stream tonight. And it seems like we only get viewers when there's price action, but I appreciate everyone that does come on when there is no price action. So I want to say thank you to those folks that have been investing in themselves here for the past couple months while the market's been down or sideways. Make sure you give yourself a pat on the back if you've been doing your due diligence, okay? Because that is what this is all about. Harmony One, Solana, Tesla. All right, we'll look at Harmony One next here. All right, so we're coming up to the weekly 150-day moving average period here, the 3-day. Okay, it is right around that 16.8 cent area, and then you have the weekly 21 to get by as well. So this area right here is going to be a difficult area here, I would say. Watch out for this area. If we do get closures above it, right? Very strong if we get closures above this area here. Okay, then we can definitely see and allude to maybe a test of the all-time high. And we are also showing that divergence, okay? You can see it. And see it here. This is implying a price action go back to the upside on the weekly time scale. Alright, so we are down here on the MACD candles. 5-day chart, probably starting to poke its head back up. There it goes. 3-day, got the cross up, right? So lots of action here potentially for this asset. Pay attention to it. This is the time, guys. This is the time to be paying attention to this market. All right, there goes the Ethereum Classic right now, breaking right out. We were just talking about this. Somebody asked for Neo. I'm sorry, I totally missed this one. But here's Neo for you. Kind of a trio of problems right here. We got to get through all three of these moving averages to really see some nice price action for Neo. And we'll see how this goes. You can clearly see we have a supply line right here. And a demand line down here. This is looking kind of wedgish, right? But it's going to depend a lot what Bitcoin does, right? 3-day squeezing. 2-day triggering long. See how we fare here. Coming up to this resistance around 27, 28 bucks. All right. All right, so we'll take a look at Tesla, ADA, Solana. Tesla going for a back test here off this rising wedge breakdown. Also showing some hidden bullish divergence here on the weekly time scale a bit. Ever so slight. I mean, I don't know where you want to pivot this from, but you're working on maybe some sort of weekly cross up. So back test the rising wedge breakdown here. You're pretty much right at a resistance right now, or pretty close to it. I feel like it's more of a slanted inverse head and shoulders or something. Right, that was your neckline. It was a slanted inverse head and shoulders pattern that broke. Tesla there. It looks kind of, I don't know, man. Looks kind of weak up here right now. We'll see how Tesla fares. YFI. Yeah, I mean, we could see this test up to back test this channel breakdown around this 26,300 area. Probably going to run into some resistance there. Guys, this all really depends on what Bitcoin ends up doing, man. If Bitcoin fucking just breaks 48K and no problem gets above it, you know, smooth sailing. XRP, yeah, we can take a look at it too. Pretty critical spot here for Solana, right? This area right here where these moving averages are critical. We are implying a weekly hidden bullish divergence here. There is some divergence to see, right? We're sitting a little bit above 20 here on the stochastics. It has room to run here on the weekly. We'll see, man. See if we can get back above these critical levels. I mean, Solana did not even do a 23.6% retrace. So Ray, sure. So you get a break above the 3-day 21 exponential moving average. We're looking at a move maybe up to the 150 period, which is right on $6. So your first real level of resistance is like right around this 385 area. All right. All right, looks like we're getting a bit of rejection here, boys and girls. It's like a nasty looking candle right now. See how this closes. Yeah, but we got up to about 40, pretty close to that 48K level. That's what we were talking about. We can see this volume coming in too. Let's see. It's all about how today closes, in my opinion, right? So, if we get a nasty rejection here, meaning we get lots of sellers coming in, pushing this price down, and we close this candle, not a bullish engulfing candle, meaning we make a closure, I would say below 44K. I would say that would that's gonna do it. That'd be a fake break rejection type of candle that we would see. All right. Make a closure above 48 to 49K, man. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. Do it this week. Pretty critical week. Pretty critical week here, right? Because we have the monthly closing. Right, monthly is showing some hidden bullish divergence here. We'll see, man. We shall see. Bobby's super bullish. Whole market's super bullish, right? So we got 20 viewers on right now. The squeeze doesn't lie, man. It never lies. Yep, we'll see if we can trigger 2 3-day squeezes. That'd be really good. According to this, we're looking at a 24% measured move. Probably do about half that move, which is right a little bit under 48, right? Oh yeah? Nice, man. You have any big earnings this week? Dave and Buster's, huh? Oh, we have Bit Farms. Bitcoin stock. Well, there you go. The 4-hour triggered long. And we got 3 more hours to confirm that. Well, alright. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream tonight. Make sure you guys smash up that like button if you guys haven't done so already. Hit the subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Tick the little bell. Join the Discord if you haven't done so. Check out some of our automated trading services that we have. The Rapid Fire Indicator. The SAR Indicator. The SAR Trend that we just finished developing. We have SAR version 5 coming out here shortly. Stay tuned for that. We got some exciting things happening here coming in for you guys this year. All right. If you guys are new to trading, you guys can always check out the alert service. Low barrier for entry. Check out the Discord. Join the movement. Stay in tune with the markets. We'll catch you guys next time. Have a wonderful week. from the STP team here. We'll catch you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for joining the stream tonight, and let's all pray for Bitcoin to get above 48K. Thank you guys so much. You guys have a wonderful week.